Okay, so today we would like to explain a little bit about foot, leg action, and body actions. So, for example, if we would like to dance Rumba, first we have to learn the footwork of this dance, like what the feet are doing. So there is a few principles we have to follow all the time. So number one, we always want to have a natural turnout when we take a step. We never want to be here. So natural turnout. Number two, you want to have a always constant contact with the floor as you move your feet. For example, if you're dancing Rumba basic step. So natural turnout, feet always touching the ground. Then of course you need to check your leg action. If you're dancing international style, you want to have a straight leg as you arrive. Straight leg as you arrive. So for example, you already figured out how to do a foot action, you know your step, you know there is natural turnout, there is contact. But when the music play, you don't want to be focusing on the feet. You want to practice your feet, make sure it's always there with you. But you want to dance with your body. You want your body to guide this leg. So if, for example, I want to go side, I want to let my body guide that foot, which is in beautiful position land, of course. So use your body to guide your step. And of course, practice your legs and feet so they place correctly, but dance with your body. Then in this case, you will feel music inside your body. You will feel the dance, not do the dance. So the same, let's say if we do a cha-cha-cha, similar idea. Let's do a hip to chasse. We go back, forward, we have twist, cha, cha, and then cha. So of course here we have to learn step first, that we're going back, that we're going forward, that we are twisting, and then we are replacing body weight. Then we have to learn our footwork. So the feet has to be always in a natural turnout, as we always do, the same as in Rumba. Beautiful, never here, natural turnout. Even when we close, there is a beautiful natural turnout. Boom. Then also we want to have our feet always in contact with the floor, and we want to know our leg action. But as we dance, we need to get a body momentum. So body is what really you will feel dance. So if we step back, you want to drift your body forward. If you move forward, you want to drift your body ahead of your step. Now if you want to do that hip twist, you use your body for the twist in, twist out, and especially here, have a little bit body action to get out from that step. So then when you dance in a fast, it feels more like the dance is inside you.